everyone. So today we are heading to Muskoka. We're just on the road right now and we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat. David's driving and I get to be the passenger princess. So yeah, we'll show you what it looks like later. Stay tuned. Getting ready, putting our sunscreens on and contacts on so that we don't end up losing our glasses. Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm putting sunscreen on.
Sunscreen. So today is an excellent day in Muskoka and the sun's here. It's just about the right temperature to go in for a swim. Hopefully the water is not too cold when we jump in. But I think I want to jump into the water. I don't think he will, but I think I might push him in.
We'll be back. You can't come with us. Gotta move your face. Move your face. We gotta go. We'll be back. Getting way too close to you.
So I just got to the bunkie after a quick breakfast. So we are just about to head over to the dock and go paddle boarding. So I'm just gonna switch into swimsuits and I'll see you guys later. Look at that.
Just touched down in the city. You know I bring hella vibes with me. Me and my girls gon' ride out. Oh yeah, we outside now. Hit the club and we shut it down. Everybody looking at us now. Trip nice, looking like wow. Living large, our lifestyle. I've been changed.